Hey everyone, do you keep complaining that often you get surrounded with a lot of unwanted people or maybe few people who you don't want to be with, right? And then we start cribbing and complaining that why is it that we always attract people whom we don't want to be there in our life, right? Like I used to do that quite often and I thought like is it what I am attracting or if such kind of people who actually doesn't need to be there in my life. So if you are in the same situation, I think time for some powerful affirmation. So I will give you two ready powerful affirmations which you can use it. I have used it. These are all tested and proven affirmations. So the more you start saying this again and again and again and again, you will start programming your brain, and then you will see that you will always be surrounded with lovely people and all the people around you are amazing, right? So the first affirmation that you have to start saying is that I am always surrounded with amazing and lovely people, or you can say I am always surrounded with amazing and positive people, right? So you can always start this with thank you universe, I am always surrounded with amazing and positive people. That's the first affirmation. Second affirmation, we start complaining that we never get something which we ask for, right? So that is again a limiting belief that we have in our mind that whatever we ask, we don't get it. So time for your second affirmation. So your second affirmation is I always get what I want. So you need to say thank you universe, I always get what I want. So start with these two affirmations. Say this again and again throughout the day whenever you have time. These are very simple and very powerful affirmations. The more you start repeating, you will start attracting the same in your life. Like how I have transformed my surroundings by saying these two affirmations, I want you to take the best advantage of these two affirmations and you start doing it every single day. Till then, keep enjoying.